All right, hey guys, welcome back to video number 2. This is Jason and how you can make $100 to $200 per day simply just by sending out emails. Okay, so in the previous video we talked about the niche, and I said video number 2 is going to be the niche. Well, I'm sorry, I lied to you. It's really about the solution, and you need to figure out a solution to the problem. And it's actually, how do you offer a solution to a problem? Well, it's very simple. What you need to do is offer a solution to get the email. Now that's a key. So you can actually do an ebook, or you can do, and you could say, well, here's an ebook for giving us your email address, and you can actually send them to your offer. And then number 2, or you can say, do a video series, just like what I'm doing here with you right now, is a step-by-step video series to give them a portion of the information so that they can learn how to build their own business like this. And so you want to be able to solve the problem. And let's pick the weight loss or the health industry, and says the people that are overweight, or I'm overweight and I want to learn how to get out of that. And so the solution to the problem is really just diet and exercise, right? Well, most people don't really want to hear that. They don't really want to hear that they have to go out and work hard and do that. What they really want to hear is give them something that they can actually solve the problem now and fast. And that will fix the problem. And as an example here is I'm going to read this. It says the 3 simple things you can cut from your diet for instant results in fat loss for free. It's very simple to do. It's very active, and you got to find a product or service that will help them and benefit them, that will provide value. And let me tell you, in the weight loss industry, there are hundreds and hundreds of different products or services out there that you could do that with. And it doesn't have to be the weight industry. It could be the wealth industry or the relationship industry. And there's hundreds of more industries out there that you can do this with. Okay, so that's how simple it is. In the next videos, I'm going to show you how you can make money doing this. All right, we'll see you in video number 3.